Every morning, Olivia grabbed her favorite caramel latte, a sweet and creamy treat. But soon, she felt constantly tired. Her clothes felt snug, and her skin just looked dull. One day, she saw an older woman in the coffee line, radiant and full of life, just sipping a simple cup of green tea. Olivia asked her about it, and the woman replied with a smile, "It keeps me young and light." That simple chat sparked a change. The next day, Olivia swapped her latte for green tea. At first, the taste was different, but within a week, she felt a real shift. She had more energy. The bloating was gone, and she just felt better. Green tea became her new ritual, and she learned it was packed with antioxidants that boost metabolism and cleanse the body. 3 months later, she felt lighter, her skin glowed, and she had a newfound energy. Sometimes, the biggest changes start with the smallest sip. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiration.